Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I'm going to unbox the Lichee console RISC-V mobile device. It's like a mini laptop. There was a bit of a delay with customs. Perhaps it was because of the holiday season that things slowed down. It actually arrived in my country just before New Year's, but it took a while before it actually got delivered. So, because I bought the Vision 5.2 RISC-V SBC, and that's one of the reasons why I didn't buy the Lichee 4a RISC-V single board computer. But the console, well, that is a nice form factor, so I decided to buy this one. So this one has the compute module already inside, so I'm not going to open it because I don't want to mess with the thermal pads and those kind of things. So, but I'll start the unboxing. Well, it's tightly packed. Okay. The Lichee console 4a, portable RISC-V development terminal. So this is the 8 GB of RAM, 32 GB eMMC storage. That's a nice box. So this is the console. Plastic protection. So also on the bottom. So here you can add a SATA drive, M2. I think it's 2242, so a smaller size. I think the same size as the Steam Deck, I think. But the Steam Deck, I think, has NVMe, and I think this one is SATA. So let's see. This is USB 3. This looks like USB Type-C, and not really sure if that's a headphone jack or the power. No, I think this is the headphone jack. This probably is for power. So I think this is mini, HDMI, another USB port. Interesting. I think this is USB Type-C. I'm not really sure what this one is. Ethernet. Some holes for ventilation. Also here, ventilation. Also ventilation, I think. So okay. I think this is the webcam. Track point. Similar to the Lenovo track point. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. I think there should be a charger. Yeah. So, oh, they also put a HDMI to mini HDMI cable. That's a pity that this is the US power plug for the charger. Anything else in the box? No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't look like there's anything else in the box. No. So that's it. I think they say that it also charges through USB Type-C, so in that sense it's not so bad that I'm probably not going to use this charger anyway. So let's see what happens. We try to turn it on. Oops. That's in a portrait mode. So it looks like there is already an image on the eMMC. Okay, so it has auto login. So yeah, well, the track point is a bit hard to move around. We also have a Lenovo laptop, and then there it's easier, but this looks okay for now. So let's see if I have a USB Type-C connector. What charger? That's still connected to something. So let's see. Okay. So what if we connect it on the back? Oh. No, because this is definitely something else. So, oh, perhaps this is for micro SD. Who knows? Anyway, but if I try to plug in USB Type-C, then there's not really much happening there. so I might need that charger after all. And also don't see. Well, let's see if it wants to charge from the Raspberry Pi charger. So this one doesn't seem to work. So here we have the Raspberry Pi 5 charger. So if we try that one. Then I don't see anything. Oh, touchscreen works. Let's see. So it has XFCE. Settings. Power manager. Okay. Well, you can hear that there is a fan. Not really sure if you can hear it, but at least it's not as loud for now as the Raspberry Pi 5 active cooler. So yeah. There is the computer, 78%. So now if I connect the Raspberry Pi 5 charger, no. Well, fortunately it doesn't seem to be charging through USB-C. I thought that I read that it should work, so I'll have to do a lot of investigation, but at least for now I'm happy I have the Lichee Pi console, RISC-V mobile terminal, and yeah, I'll start some more investigation, and then hopefully in my next video I can show you what it can actually do. So that's all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.